P-touch electronic labeling systems include power adapter, USB cable plus carry case. Great for portability or storing additional tapes, full color display. Easily view tape color installed. Large, easy type keyboard. Access the wide variety of built-in fonts, frames, barcodes, and templates, or connect to a computer to create more personalized, professional-looking labels. Fast print speeds and automatic cutter help quickly print multiple labels. Works with a variety of easy peel, laminated TZD series, tapes up to 24 mm wide, great for a variety of indoor and outdoor applications. More than 50 tape varieties to choose from, including flexible ID, fabric iron-on, and extra strength adhesive. Great for all of your labeling needs around your business or place of work. Brother at your side.